Sri Vile Parle Kelvani Mandal's Institute of Pharmacy Dhule presents an online certificate-based course on artificial intelligence in pharmaceutical sciences. Sri Vile Parle Kelvani Mandal is already a brand name in education scenario. It is a public charitable trust and society. It is in existence for over 80 years, born in 1934 with the adoption of a school which started in 1921. Over the past 80 years, the Mandal has developed a large educational complex in Ville Parle in suburban Mumbai and has spread its wing to metro cities like Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chandigarh, Ahmedabad, Navi Mumbai. SVKM today is proud of some of the finest educational institutes in the country like NMIMS deemed to be university, NM College of Commerce and Economics, Mitibai College, DJ Sangvi College, Bhagubai Mampatlal Polytechnic, to name a few. The vision of our institute is to pursue excellence in pharmaceutical education and research to develop a competent professionals. The SVKM Institute of Pharmacy Dhule offer bachelor program in pharmacy at par with world-class standard. The niche lies in the excellent infrastructure facilities, competent faculties, and professional staff members which synergize to extend competitive advantage to students. An online certificate based course that is artificial intelligence in pharmaceutical sciences is mainly designed and instructed by Dr. Amit Gangwal, Associate Professor in our institute. Why this course? A famous quote by Mark Cuban: learn artificial intelligence or become a dinosaur. That is, up or reskilling is more important than core degrees. We are now living in the age in which artificial intelligence doesn't contest with humans. It empowers them. And nowhere are its application more noteworthy than in life sciences, where digital transformation driven by AI and ML is affecting almost every aspect of the value chain and bringing us closer to the next level of healthcare. Artificial intelligence, particularly deep learning domain, has gained huge accomplishment in wide range of uses like computer games, natural language processing, speech recognition, computer vision, driverless vehicles, automated interface for visual perception, decision making, translation between languages and others. None of the field is untouched by artificial intelligence. AI and robotics are no longer science fiction. They are transforming healthcare through a bit late versus other fields, for instance, automobile, gaming, telecom, banking, and financial markets, e-commerce, manufacturing, education, supply chain, marketing, and others. At present, there is no challenge to artificial intelligence. For AI, one has to resort to AI only. In last 5 to 8 years, there has been tremendous inclination of pharma companies and even the techno giants to explore or replicate the success owing to artificial intelligence to address the failure in drug discovery process. Biopharmaceuticals companies continue to make significant investment in AI and ML to both improve their decision making across R&D and commercialization, and to deliver better outcome for patients, physicians, and payers. Pharmaceutical industries are not an exception, and through late or through some tie-ups with various organizations are hugging the artificial intelligence tools in various stages of drug discovery like lead optimization, target study, clinical trials, and many more. These slides show a tie-up between various companies of AI and pharma. Rather to build a large-scale wet lab to discover the properties of hundreds of thousands of molecules in a test tube, scientists are going to be able to do almost entire exploration inside a computer. This is a machine learning in the drug discovery. In coming 10 years, and so drug discovery means a room with quantum computers, human to operate them. In this rapidly changing scenario, therefore, it was decided to launch a course on artificial intelligence for students, researchers, and fellow colleagues in a flexible manner. Course content. This course is designed to contain introduction to disruptive innovations and Industry 4.0, basis of artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning in general and healthcare sciences, types of the AI and ML algorithms, DL models like CNN, RNN and autocoders, ML model development, molecular representation, drug discovery, AI-driven versus classical, step in AI-driven drug discovery, tools in AI-driven drug discovery, AI in clinical trial, manufacturing, QA/QC, marketing, e-pharmacy, healthcare medical imaging, precise medicine, changing business strategy involving AI in technique and pharma firms, some corporate example of early success of AI in drug discovery, ready to use course for machine model, AI and ethics. Silent features of this course: more than 70 videos, tutorial for an exhaustive learning. We do it as per your own pace concept, to ready to use coding exercise to make your first machine learning classifier, various latest example from decentralized AI, tech and pharma giants, specially designed from a viewpoint of life sciences students and professional, highly lucid language with plenty of examples. I thanks all the learner for enrolling in this course to up and reskill themselves, and wish them all the luck and happy learning. Thank you very much.